S175. This is the kit. It's real nice. Hardest part, honestly, was getting this bolt out and getting these springs compressed. It was all my compressor had, my valve spring compressor had to compress these. Not strength-wise, but length-wise. Because when you put that in, try to get the bolt, it just barely reached. It had like one thread. They're looking pretty nice. Not too bad for pins that weren't even, I mean, handles that didn't exist and pins that wouldn't budge. So, also, when I had the pins out, I took a little wheel cylinder hone and just ran through them a few times and sprayed it out with ether, cleaned them out, so they'd be nice and smooth. And then I greased the pins really well.